Hey guys, let us go to this beautiful Apollo Lake in El Salvador. A family tour with my girls. So this is our fifth day in El Salvador, roaming around all the country. By driving, we go in different cities, and the last stop we have is the last city of La Union in El Salvador. For now, look at this beautiful Apollo Lake in El Salvador. Okay, we have a boat tour over here. Look at that beautiful, amazing lake. Yeah, it's clean. And yeah, let us go here and have fun all over the lake. We're going to turn around. I think this is like the 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 tour guide or the driver of the boat. Oh, driver of the boat. Ay, 40 minutes daw. But cut the other videos because yeah, people not allowed to be in the video anymore. So I think I have some clip here that my daughter shows up, but it's okay. They're my children anyway. So yeah guys, this is so beautiful, so relaxing, sitting in this beautiful boat with music. But then I decide to cut the music. It is copyrighted. Very, very, very strict ang YouTube, guys. So, ayan, tinanggal ko ang music. Magyap-yap na lang tayo dito. Habang ako'y nag-i-enjoy diyan, ako'y umupo doon at ako'y nag-i-enjoy diyan at pasayaw-sayaw pa si ate girl. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, that's my daughter. Konti lang ang mukha niya dahil ayaw din nila sa video. So, yeah guys, come with us here in El Salvador, Apollo Lake. Syempre, you have to wear a life vest kahit na marunong ka lumangoy. They says that this lake is from an eruption of volcano, but our real tour guide said that he don't believe on that. Whatever. Yeah. Okay, very, very good. The weather's so good and so hot in here. It's like 59 degrees. Summertime in El Salvador. So this is my third time, but this one is like in 1 week we are going to go on other cities all over El Salvador. So yeah, our life here is like that. Go here and there, eat here and there, whatever we find along the road. At the night, find a place to sleep. In the morning, here we go. Now this is the like the Pantalan, I think. Yeah, I think we're approaching this. This one you can go drinking whatsoever, pero hindi kami pwede dyan because we have two girls, two kids minors. So we just decide to have a boat tour. Yeah, and there's also a tilapia plantation nila. Tilapia plantation? Pinaplant bang tilapia? No, they have fish pond ng tilapia. So there you go guys. Maganda sana yan kung hindi tinanggal ang sounds at music. So, we sunod-sunod na lang sa patakaran ni Lolo YouTube. Yeah, so ang ginawa ko, voice over na lang ng kung anik-anik para lang may sounds. So, ayan guys. We are here in a very beautiful, peaceful country of El Salvador. After we went to my sister-in-law's place, Daddy take us here in Apollo Lake again. I've been here before on my first time, only me and him. Now with the girls because Daddy want these kids to see his country. Isa naman sa Pilipinas lang. Nakarating na rin sila sa Pinas. So this time, the purpose is at least the girls know where Daddy born. Yeah. So, yan. Marami na rin kayo mga napuntahan, guys. This is only 1 week tour na ginagawa namin dito sa El Salvador. But most of the cities, towns, ay aming maiikot. Ayan guys, napakaganda dyan. Napakasaya nila. Mga music dyan. Kaso nga lang, tinanggal ko na. Ayan, mag-voice over na lang tayo. Yan, oh, diba kaganda. Ayan na. Yan na yung kanilang tilapia plantation. Yung kanilang fish pond ng mga tilapia, guys. Ayan yung may cover na gano'n. Nagtatalunan kaya sila dyan. Oh, ganyan. That is a fish pond of tilapia. Ayun, tinan mo. Kaya, ibo naman yun. Ito naman yung kanilang other side of the lake na you can have your drinks. Most tourist people are there, you know, to have fun. But me and the girls, we're not drinking anyway, so we just decide to have a boat tour along the lake, all over the lake, and yeah, walk around, and maybe we find something to eat over there if the girls got hungry. Yes guys, so di ba ang ganda? Pa-relax din tayo kapag may time. Ang pera nahanap yan guys, pero ang time at memory hindi na may babalik. So yan guys, di ba ang ganda? Super ganda dyan guys. So tapos ang music nila Espanyol, agoy. Ang kaso lang, tinanggal ko na nga dahil nga bawal, copyright daw. So magyap-yap na lang tayo. So, yan guys, enjoy talaga ako dyan. Very happy ako na nag-tour dyan sa buong Apollo Lake ng El Salvador. O, yan na. Padaong na kami dyan. Hindi ko na sinama yung ibang video ko sa kanilang lugar doon kasi inano ko lang to, inclusive lang sa mga sa tour boat. Ayan, may isa pang boat na paalis. Ayan, I think binayaran namin dito, we paid like $30 for 4 of us. Okay, 30 or 40, something like that. $40 for 4 of us sa isang boat. Okay, may life vest ka naman dyan, may music ka pa. Pero, apakaganda dyan guys kung kasama ang music out sounds. Pero, here you go. Ganyan na lang ginawa natin. Sunod-sunod din sa mga copyright dyan. Ayaw ni Lolo nang may copyright. So, ayan. Ayan guys. Oh, napakaganda ng Apollo Lake. Yeah. Travel if you have time. Habang nakakalakad pa. At tayo ay nasa kalagitnaan na ng edad ng 50. Pero yeah, we have a chance to look at that, how pretty, how beautiful it is, right? Thank you guys for watching.